In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shift a cell or multiple cells positions in Canva Sheets. So here I have this table, it's misaligned, and I want it to go to the top right of this grid. So what we have to do is shift it first to the top and then shift it to the left. So because Canva doesn't have a shortcut for this, we have to do this the manual way. So go ahead and select all the rows that span your table first, and then right click anywhere, and then more, and then move rows up, and that will move all the rows you selected upwards. You can do this process again if it still didn't go to the top. And now we want to move it to the left, so just select the columns that span your table, and then right click more and move two columns or move columns left. And there we go, we have moved our table. Another way to do this is if you have nothing that you want that you need on the top left, then you can just select all your table by clicking on the top leftmost corner and then bottom rightmost corner, and then clicking Control X and then Control V, and there we go. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.